Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, different types of style videos and stuff. So if you like all that, if you like shopping, trends, all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there if you don't want to miss my videos. So today is going to be another weekly Dollar Tree haul where I go to multiple different Dollar Trees this week and throw it all together in one video. So today I went to two. Really didn't find a lot, to be honest with you, but whatever. So definitely subscribe. But first thing is, another family member had another request, so I got two hand sanitizers. This one is the all pink Barbie with the keychain, and this is the green Squishmallow with the purple keychain. So yes, and also I am in the process of making like my how I make my gift bags video from Dollar Tree. So yes. Then I got another one of these shaving creams because this is my all-time favorite shaving cream. Also, sorry, I was picking my pimple, but this is my ultimate favorite freaking shaving cream ever. So I definitely restocked on. Anytime I see it, I'll probably snag it. But this is my favorite shaving cream literally ever. So got her. Then this is new, and I also saw this on TikTok of like people doing it with not like wigs or anything, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. So this is by the Softy brand, refreshing wig dry shampoo, coconut hibiscus, ideal for both human and synthetic hair, long lasting fragrance, adds volume. So yeah, I saw like 4 different TikToks of girls doing it like not on wigs. I was like, okay, I have to try it. And you get 10 ounces in here, so I'm pretty kind of excited to try this. So we got this. Then, this is an oldie, but I saw it and I had to pick it up. It is the little coffee beauty blender and sponge. I haven't seen this in forever, and I loved it when it first came out. So I was like, you know what? Bring back old Dollar Tree times when stuff wasn't over $1.25. So you just get the little blender and the little coffee cup to throw the blender in, and voila. So old times, got that. Then the oldie watermelon hand sanitizer. Now we see these in the cucumber everywhere, like 6 boxes of them, so got that. Then finally, I'm finally seeing these again, the Be Pure Ageless powder foundations. I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you can tell, it's been all day. But yeah, so we got light, medium, and medium fair. Medium deep and light medium. Light medium is like, I can never find it. So I love these, so I got that. Then I got the LA Colors Lip Plumper in Untamed. Again, these collections are going up higher than $1.25 soon, so I'm getting it now while I can. So itty bitty, I find little bits, so we got that one. Then this is an old collection, but I needed a restock, and I love this. Just the tinted lip balm in pink. So yeah, that is everything I got from day 1 of this weekly haul. Not really like thrilled, but hopefully we find more throughout this week. Okay, I went to 3 Dollar Trees today. They were like the ones that were like boop boop boop. So I got a bunch of random stuff. Anyway, first off, I did get one of these cosmetic bags, like the puffy one. So I got a new purse, and this is perfect for it, so got her. Then I did get this book, which, by the way, books are going up to $1.50. Don't know when. I just know when I was there, they had like the new tags on it, and books are going up to $1.50. So, but this was still $1.25 for now. So, but I got this book. These price hikes are actually ridiculous. Then I got the Sophie brand, the I Love These hair ties. They do not rip out your hair, and they're so soft. So we got her. Then I did get this. the Tag Step Out Fine Fragrance Body Spray. You know, obviously I know this is manly, but I like men's fragrance like this as room sprays. I know it's weird, but look what has a red tag on it. So this is going up, and a lot of beauty items have these red tags on them. Like, these price tags are actually ridiculous in my opinion. But so I got this because it's a great room fragrance. So then I did get another set of the Invisibobble hair ties. I love these freaking things. They're magnificent. So I just got the black set. Then, something in my eye, I got the 4-piece mushroom makeup blenders. And okay, so this is one of them. This is another. Oh, so I guess they're the same. And then purple. But I don't care, they're so fun. So we got those. If you know how long it took me to open that. Then I got the Ioni Shea Butter lipstick in pink with the little heart. I love this one. I love it. And I haven't seen it in forever. And, you know, I'm scared it's gonna go up in price. So I'm like, I'll get it now. I just love the little heart. So we got her. Then, okay, I am so stoked. I hope these are back for good because I friggin' love these. And I have not seen them since they first came out. But it is the Be Pure Exfoliating Lip Serum with hyaluronic acid and pineapple. So we got this one. Then, okay, I was gonna say, I know there was one more. And then I got the Mint Cooling Serum. So these are the only two that I found at the store, but I hope they bring these back because I did not really get my hands on them when they came out, so hopefully they bring them back. Okay, then we got, while we're on that, we got this, the Be Pure Retinol Serum Under Eye Roller. Helps hydrate under eyes, revitalize. I actually freaking love these, so I just got the Revitalize one because I like that one the best. Then, random old collection, but this is the Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Thang in Raspberry, and I actually am such a fan of this, so I was like, you know what, gotta get it now while it's $1.25. So we got that one. And then, yeah, everything's out of order, so, oh. And then I got the Peachberry Foxy Lady. I love these, so time to restock. Then, we got the Glitter Lip Balm in Sparkle Peach. Yeah, we already know how I feel about this. Love this freaking stuff. Then we got the Blueberry Cat Lip Gloss. This has the red tag on it, so this is going up. Don't know when that is happening, but so we got the Blueberry. And then we got the Strawberry, I think. Yeah, I love this little cat collection, so we got her. Then we got from the Wildflower collection, we got the Plump Lips and, oh, Wildflower, how ironic. So we got her. Sorry, this lighting. So we got her. Then we got the Lip Crayon in Wild Child. Love that. Yeah, I didn't really get this collection when it came out, so it's like I'm getting it now. And then we have the Free Spirit, which is just like more nude. Sorry, the sun's going down. And then we got a Wildcat, which is probably my favorite one. Wildcat. Then we got the Savage Lip Crayon, which the name hilarious. So we got her. So I'm trying to find lighting. So Savage, and it's like a dark color. And then, sorry, I'm trying to keep the collection together, but. And then we got just the clear Secret Garden, but this one has like glitter in it, so super cute. So we got her. Then I got the Sheer Black Cherry Lip Balm. I love this, and I haven't seen this in friggin' forever, so we got her. Then we got the Boho little lip crayon. I love that color, so we got her. Then we got the Dragon Fruit Roll-On Lip Balm. Like, how cute. And I love dragon fruit, so got her. Then we got Lemon Lime, which I'm honestly so excited for. So we got her. Then we got Cantaloupe. I don't remember when this collection came out, but I haven't seen it in forever. And like I said, it's going up in price, so I was like getting it now. So we got Cantaloupe. Then I got the Cat Blush. And this is in Possum, haha. And I love this. I used this yesterday as a contour and a blush, like not this shade, but yeah. And these going up to $1.50, or I mean not $1.50, going up in price. And then the last thing is Leech little roll-on lip balm. So yeah, that's what I figured out. Is the books are going up to $150, and like books, coloring books, all that is going up to $150. And all the makeup collections, like these, Wildflower, the cat ones, are going up in price. I don't know what the price is, and I don't know when. But yeah, that's the tea I found out this couple days, so it sucks. But hopefully we can finish this haul with some good stuff, and hopefully if I get more information about price hikes, I'll definitely let you guys know. So definitely subscribe for that. Okay, we're back with the last part of this haul. And I went to one store, and yeah. So, first off, I got this Lone freaking Tier 1 Advanced Power Strip Energy Saving Smart Power. And this thing was $1.25. It was in the plus section, so I went on my app, scanned it, and it was indeed $1.20 freaking 5. So if you guys see this, snag it. Hello, $1.25. So we got her. Then the rest of the stuff is like some stuff I want, and then I have some family members that will like send me a list of like what they want if I find it. So it's a win-win. I get to shop for somebody and I get to haul it. So you know. So let's get into it. So I got the Black Licorice liquid eyeliner. I'm actually excited to try this. I've never tried liquid eyeliner before, so this one's for me. I'm gonna try that, and we'll see. Then we got the lip crayon in So Snatched. And again, these collections are going up in price. I don't know when or how much, but they are. They have the red sticker already, which is so annoying. But yeah, we got this So Snatched little lip crayon. Then we have this roll-on lip oil in Grape. I love the packaging of this collection. Then we got the LA Colors little eyeshadow palette in Tea Party. This is so adorable. So we got her. Then we got the LA Colors roll-on lip gloss in Peach. Okay. Then we got the lip crayon in A Mood, which is like dark. Then we got the, what is this? The roll-on lip oil in Coconut. Can't believe this prices are going up. Lip crayon in Groovy Pink. I love that. Look how cute that is. The lip plumper in Flower Power. I love this because it's dark. Then we have the cream gel blush in Peonies. I love this. So you can do like a contour and blush look. Then we have the white, Whisker White eyeliner. I'm so excited to actually try this. So, got her. That one's for me. Then the LA Colors Cat Little Orange Lip Balm. Per Kitty For Real little eyeshadow palette. So cute. Then we have the Furbulous little blush in the cat. How cute. Then this one's for me. This is the Jelly Belly Mixed Berry Jelly Balm. Mixed Berry. LA Colors Lip Balm. Love her. Got her for me. Then we got the Jelly Gloss in a watermelon scent. This one's for me too, so we got her. Then we got the Strawberry Kiwi Gloss. This one's for me too. So I got the 2 glosses from this little haul. So we got that one. Then, I'm dropping everything. Then we got the Grapefruit Little Kitty Lip Balm. This is not for me, but we got the Little Kitty Lip Balm. We got the Peach Lip Glaze. Again, this one is not for me. Got the Peach Lip Glaze and the little heart. Then the last 2 things is we got the Cream Gel Blushing in Orchard. This one's for me because I'm going to do this as a blush bronzer combo. So got that one. Then the last thing is the Jasmine Flower Highlight, which is also for me. So yeah, I'm going to do these 2 as like a whole face look, blush and bronzer and then highlight. So yeah, but that concludes this little haul. This was multiple stores. This was like 3 days worth of stuff, and yeah, so I'm getting all the old collections while they're $1.25 because they're going up. Boo. But anyway, definitely comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for, what you guys feel about price increases, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next haul.